Okay, randomly selected members of the public were asked whether they approved of plans to build a new sports center, and 57% said they approved. Okay, you are asking a lot of people whether they say okay to build a sports center, and more than half is actually approving this idea. Question is using the word approximation. They said we need to find probability that more than 75 out of 100 people. So these are the number of people you have asked. You went and asked 120 people whether they want to whether they approve the new sports center. And given that at least 60 said they approved. So what is the meaning of this? Since they said I can approximate, let's define variable first. My x is number of people who approving the plan, and then I know number of indicates it's a binomial. My n value is 120, my p value is 0.57. I need to find a probability. See, given that is conditional probability, right? Let's illustrate this in a way that you understand. I know because now I am using the word approximation, I can actually take the binomial and convert into normal. So I just want to get some idea. How many people have I surveyed? 120. You just assume as though it's binomial, where it's going to get normally distributed. Yeah, see, I want to know for more than 120. Of course, I want to find what is my mean value here, right? So how do you find your mean value here? It is n times by p. So what is the answer when we do 120? We times by 0.57. I'm getting 68.4 like this. So this is the middle average value. I am looking for probability more than 75. But before I begin, I actually already asked at least 60 people. So where is 60 in this diagram? Isn't it here? So you have to first find for at least 60 people. So you go and find what is this answer. After you get this answer, it means of this pool, of this shaded pool here, what we want to find is more than 75 is approving. So where is 75 in this diagram? 75 could be somewhere here. So of this green pool, what is the probability that the orange shaded probability? Of course, my first aim is go and find the green shaded region, right? So let's find that answer. And when you are finding, you don't want to use binomial, because question say just use approximation. So when you convert this to normal, what will you get? You already got your NP here, 68.4. Then let's find your NPQ, 29.412. Okay, first our aim is to find the green region, yeah? So the green is at least 60. So you write P x more equals to 60. So convert to your Z. You write 68.4, cert 29.412. Now, what will you fill up in this particular space? You need to do continuity correction. How do you do continuity correction? Will you want to include the 60? Yes. Are you traveling to the right hand side? Yes. So include the 60 and travel right. Can you tell me what is this value? 59.5. You put that here, 59.5. Okay. Almost halfway there. Now go and calculate what is this answer. I'm getting negative 1.64. 1. As I told you, just 4 numbers is enough to read the table. So what is this probability? You are getting 0.94 0.161. See, I am using calculator to solve the probability value. You can actually use your table. I know it will be less accurate than this, but when you round off, you will get as per the table value. When I meet you in real, I will teach you this technique. Now, I know this whole of this green portion is 95%, right? According to this 94.961%. So let's go and find the yellow region now. What is the probability for that yellow? So the yellow says I need to find for more than 75. So what is the value when I do for more than 75? Everything is going to be exactly the same without any changes. Just do your continuity correction well. 75 is here. So will you include the 75? No, you want to travel right hand side. So your journey begins from this side. So find what is this value, 75.5. Almost done. Go and find the answer. 75.5. 1.309. It is 0.095239. So I got the green region and yellow region. Let's go and write it there so that you understand better. So this part is 0.095235 and this green part is 0.94961. So now let's go and find the probability. What is your overall probability here? The green, your already given scenario, isn't it? 94.961. Of these, how much is the yellow? 0.095219. So if you solve this, you actually get the answer. Let's try to divide, yeah. The answer is 0.100. According to calculator, it is 293. I approximate 0.100.